This is absolute 11678. Shootout. What? Shootout will be after that. All right. 5 times. Here we go. Whoever's on top at the end will win the Pittsburgh Steelers. Here we go. No one, unfortunately, Matt. 5 times. Here we go. 1. Forgot to remove the Steelers. 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is the Raiders. 5 times. Rating on top. Who got them in this absolute break? The Raiders are with Cody in 11678. I'm expecting big things from these boxes. That's for true. Big boomer. Right, here we go. Right. McDonald's, Damien Harris to 275, Ty Chandler. And Tyquan Thornton to 299, Rookie Premier, Triple Relic. And to 100 by Storm, Jameson Williams to the Lions. James Conner, Christian Kirk. To 99, Groundhogs for the Najee Harris. Jerome Ford to 50 for the Cleveland Browns. And to 10, not the Steeler rookie you want, but 2 of 10, Calvin Austin the third. Cooper Kupp, Kyle Pitts, and tools of the trade to 199, Nick Chubb. Hassan Haskins to 100 auto for the Titans. And to 25, Devontae Wyatt for Green Bay. 15 and 25. He's going to Al. Dawson Knox, Herbie. To 275, Trey McBride. And Hassan Haskins again, this time RPA to 99. And introductions to 50, Aiden Hutchinson. There isn't really one. Kenny Pickett's the closest. Mac Jones, Damien Harris. Kenneth Walker the third to 25 War Room Materials. And Jacoby Myers, 299 tools of the trade for the Patriots. 66 and 99 with a bit of jersey, bit of bowl. And to 75, Kyle Pitts for the Atlanta Falcons. We've seen 2 glass already. Can we see more? David Montgomery, Trey Lance, Aiden Hutchinson to 275. And for the San Francisco 49ers, it is Tyrion Davis-Price to 309. TDP. And to just 100, Deshaun Watson. Gross. And that is that for Absolute 11678. Hey, Fake, how are you?